We look at the problem divided by dx of secant. We do this to see what we need to solve. This is our starting math sentence. We change secant into 1 divided by cosine. We do this to make the math easier to work with. This is rule for how these two terms are the same. We write the problem as divided by dx of 1 divided by cosine. We do this to show our new version of the problem. We use the same term from the step before. We prepare to use the quotient rule formula. We do this to find the answer for fraction. The rule says we use prime times minus times prime all divided by squared. We find that is 1 and prime is 0. We also find that is cosine and prime is negative sign. We do this to get our pieces ready for the formula. We put our pieces into the quotient rule formula. We do this to follow the math plan we made. We write 0 times cosine minus 1 times negative sign all divided by cosine squared. We solve the top part of the fraction. We do this to make the expression shorter. 0 times cosine is 0 and negative 1 times negative sign is positive sign. We simplify the whole fraction. We do this to clean up the math. The new expression is sine divided by cosine squared. We split the fraction into two parts. We do this to change how it looks. We write 1 divided by cosine times sine divided by cosine. We change the terms back into their other names. We do this to reach the final form. 1 divided by cosine is secant and sine divided by cosine is tangent. We write the final answer as secant times tangent. We do this to show we are finished. This is the result of our math work.